Yeah.
All right, number one. Go for it. Let's plug in.
Do I take it?
Yeah, bring it. Let's see if you can slide it over. The rest of you guys, how's the rest of number one going? Are we on number two yet? It looks like. Any questions on number one?
No.
Oops.
All right, so this student here, look up there. It looks like one of the pieces is incorrect. I need somebody to raise your hand. Let me know why is that piece incorrect. So we need a line above the UR, is that what you're saying? Yes, so please go ahead and change that.
We need a ray line though, not just the line.
Oh, so you need the ray, so not the line, because that's a line segment, so you need the ray. Was he okay with the UR though? Right,
Yeah.
naming that with the endpoint UR, go ahead and check that, let's see. Beautiful.
Do I exceed?
All right, next, let's just leave yours plugged in, that'll be easier. Number two, who's next? Come on up. Check and see, let's see how we do here. If you guys have any issues, let's talk about it. First. Naming the intersection of line AC and line BD. Do we agree?
Yes.
B looks like it, yes it is. Name the intersection between line AB and the plane X. Line AB, is that what you guys are thinking? Okay, number three, or part C, name the intersection of the plane X and plane Y. Scroll back up, let me see. Line BD. Right there, yes, so pretend like two sheets of paper going together, it's that line. Right there for BD. Check it.
It takes a line.
Let's take it. Beautiful. There's 1, 2, and 3. Next. Somebody else, number 3. Number 3. Ooh, how are we plotting these? Do we want to use Desmos?
Yeah.
Beautiful. So I'm going to jump over here. I'll do Desmos here, and I'll have somebody else come over and drive. If you want to use a new tab, that's fine. But open up Desmos, let's plot those points. Make sure you have parentheses around those points. So it looks like you got -1, -7. If you can't see it, that's fine. We'll zoom out, but I do see it right there down there in the third quadrant. 6, -7 is another one. That's nice. These are horizontal. 5, 3. And 5, -5. Let's screw something up. 5, 3, 5, -5. And oh, and no, that's it. So the question is, are the line segments C, D, and E, F congruent? Show of hands. What's congruent mean? Go for it.
Equal, like they're same length and all that.
Beautiful. Same length. So let's determine are C, D, and E, F congruent? Well, which one was C, D? This is kind of hard. We're not using GeoGebra, but -1, -7 is the red point down there, and 6, -7 is the green point. What's the measurement on that, or the length of that segment? Is it 7? Yeah, so let's look at the x coordinates. -1, the distance from the y-axis to -1 is 1. The distance from 6 to the y-axis is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that line segment CD is 7. What about the other one, EF? It's 8. Yes, so looking at the y coordinates for E and F, 3 and -5. Absolute value of 3 and -5, 3 and 5. Add those together, you get H. So we can conclude that they are not congruent. Next one, who's driving? Luana. Find AC. What are we doing to find AC? Add, right? Adding your two line segments together. Add AB. Add AC. Pretty straightforward. 33 aren't any units, so let's just call it units. It's not even looking for it. So 33 works for me. Next, who's driving?
Joshua.
Beautiful. Segment bisector. What's that mean?
It's a thing that intersects another line.
So a thing, whether it's a line segment, array, a plane, but more specifically, it intersects. What does it do with the other two segments when it slices it bisector?
It splits it exactly in half.
Yes. Hence the word bisector. Yes. So segment bisector is which piece up there? Array R P. Is that what it is? And then the rest of you guys, you see that the line segment from where it bisects out to endpoint N was what, 3 5/6. So how are we going to figure out, how are you doing that?
Because if you have 3 and 5, 6, and you take that times 2, it'd be 6 and what?
10.
Yeah, 10, and then you just divide it in half.
Beautiful. Right, so we talked about multiple ways of you can either add those together, right? You could 7 and 10/6, or you could do converting that mixed number into an improper, but well done there. Go ahead, work together on this now for the next, let's say 8 minutes. I'll bring you guys back and we'll continue on with this assignment.